The Hero FinCorp Bank's small segment business loan is specifically designed for self-employed individuals. Applicants must meet the eligibility criteria, which include a minimum annual ITR of 2 rupee 50 lakh and no turnover is required. Applicants must be between 21 and 57 years of age, have a CIBIL score based on scorecard. The loan amount ranges from 1 lakh rupees to 5 lakh rupees. The loan tenure is between 12 and 60 months with an interest rate of 7% to 16% calculated on a flat basis. The approval process is completed within 1 day and the disbursement takes place within 7 days. Foreclosure charges are set at 4% of the loan amount, while the processing fee is 2% to 4%. Part payments are not allowed. Applicants are not required to provide business registration proof, and having a co-applicant is not mandatory. The business must have been operational for at least 2 years, and the processing is conducted online. Proof of ownership is not required, and both sides rented loan up to 3 lakh. A unique selling point of this loan is that financial on ITR basis, minimum ITR required 50 lakh, funding on scorecard basis on CIBIL required, funding to both side rented profile. This service is available exclusively in the Delhi NCR region. However, certain profiles are not eligible for this loan, including advocates, share traders, liquor, school, gym, manpower industry, civil contractor, real estate, jewelers, coal industry, aviation sector, tour and travel, automobile. For professionals, a special product is not available. The required documents include KYC documents for both the applicant and co-applicant, the last 3 years income tax returns with income computation, and the last 3 years bank statements. Additional documents include Form 16 for the past 2 years and 26 as for the last 2 years. Business-related documents, such as GST registration, MSME registration, and GST returns for the past 12 months, are also mandatory. Applicants with existing loans must provide sanction letters for all ongoing loans along with a debt sheet. Proof of residence, such as the latest utility bill for owned properties or a rent agreement for rented accommodations, is required. Proof of office ownership or rental is also necessary. 2 references with contact details must be provided. Additionally, details of debtors and creditors for the last 3 years on letterhead are required. For companies, a list of directors and shareholders must be submitted, while for partnerships or LLPs, a list of partners is necessary.